Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game-changing dash cam that's about to revolutionize the way we drive and record our journeys. Imagine having not one, but two 4K cameras capturing every moment on the road, both in front and behind you, with crystal clear footage that's unparalleled in the industry. That's exactly what the 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear offers. And we're excited to dive into its features and show you why this is a must-have for any driver. Let's start with one of the most impressive features of this dash cam. Its Ultra HD 4K front plus 4K rear recording capability. This means that both the front and rear cameras record in stunning 3840x2160p resolution, giving you an uninterrupted and crystal clear view of the road ahead and behind. The front camera boasts a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, which is perfect for capturing all 6 lanes of the road and providing you with a complete picture of your surroundings. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or cruising down the highway, this dash cam has got you covered. The dual-channel simultaneous recording ensures that you capture every detail, every moment, without missing a beat. And with the ability to support up to 512 gigabytes microSD cards, you've got plenty of storage space for all your recordings. Another key feature that sets this dash cam apart is its loop recording and G-sensor. The pre-installed 128 gigabytes memory card means you can start recording right away, and the loop recording feature ensures that your footage is continuously captured without any gaps or interruptions. But what really makes this feature stand out is the G-sensor, which automatically locks collision videos to prevent overwriting. This means that in the event of an accident, the dash cam will automatically save the footage, giving you valuable evidence that can be used to support your insurance claim or protect you from false accusations. And with the lock button on the dash camera, you can also manually lock important videos with just one touch, giving you complete control over your recordings. Now, let's talk about the Super Starlight Night Vision feature, which is truly impressive. The enhanced WDR and sharper night vision technology deliver vibrant colors and clear details even in the most challenging lighting conditions. The front camera features an f1.5 large aperture and the rear camera an f1.8 large aperture, allowing more light into the lens for brighter, clearer footage in low-light environments. This is especially important for accident evidence, as it ensures that you can still capture clear footage even in the most difficult conditions. Whether you're driving at night, in the rain, or in low-light conditions, this dash cam has the technology to deliver high-quality footage that's unparalleled in the industry. But what really takes this dash cam to the next level is its ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and free wireless app control. With dual-band 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly view and manage your recordings on your iOS or Android device via the TERUNSOUL app. This means you can easily download recorded videos and photos to your phone at high speed and share them on social media with friends and family or with your insurance company. You can also remotely manage camera settings and update firmware wirelessly through the app, giving you complete control over your dash cam from the comfort of your own device. And with the built-in GPS, you can view real-time live speed and compass on the 3-inch IPS wide camera screen, and track your routes via the app using Wi-Fi or review videos with GPS data on Windows or Mac using the free GPS player. In conclusion, the 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear is an absolute game-changer for any driver. With its Ultra HD 4K front plus 4K rear recording, loop recording, and G-sensor, Super Starlight Night Vision, and ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and free wireless app control, this dash cam has everything you need to capture high-quality footage, protect yourself on the road, and enjoy a seamless user experience. So if you're looking to upgrade your driving experience and stay safe on the road, look no further than the 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and experience the future of dash cam technology for yourself. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. This dash cam is a must-have for any driver, and we're excited to see the impact it's going to have on the world of driving. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.